Let's talk about the science element. Human lava lamp is a way that easy to understand. The lava lamp is like a teeny, colorful science part if the water is made of two fine things liquid and special that looks like text.
It has some magic ingredients in it. One of the ingredients is the special type of oil that does not react well with water. You know how oil and water don't like each other, right? They separate and stay apart. The look like wax is usually a type of wax made from a special kind of oil. This wax is solid but whether it's cool, but when we heat it up, it melts and become a liquid.
Now, here's where the exciting science part happens. When you turn on the lamp, there's a light current that the water that gives off heat. This heat ramps up through the liquid and later the wax will be made the wax wow, and it starts to bend into liquid.
Because the special wax don't mix well with the liquid. These blocks are lighter than the liquid, so they float to the top, but as they get closer to the top where it's cooler, they cool down and turn back into solid blocks again.
Why still they become solid then that heavier so they sit back down to the bottom when it's forward.
So you see the hand from the light bulb makes the weight move up and down, creating those cool and proper movements you see in the lava lamp. It's like a colorful dance front happening inside the bottle. Lava lamps are not only fun to watch, but they also show us how made science experiment right there is your room. Keep exploring and having fun with science.